Hi friends, welcome to Unacademy, India's largest online learning app. We are going to provide you support for IIT, JEE, NEET, UGC, then SSC exams, MPSC, UPSC class 9, 10th, 11th and 12th also. You can ace your final exams with Unacademy Plus subscription. So Unacademy Plus subscription is at flat 10% off discount. So, dear learners, welcome to the class. I am Trupti Deshmukh. I have done my Masters of Computer Engineering. So, I am going to teach you subjects like C, C++, C Sharp, ASP.NET, programming in Python, as well as I am going to teach you the subjects like information technology for class 9, 10th, 11th, 12th, and also computer science for class 9, 10th, 11th, 12th. So, please वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें एंड बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें. So students, let's get started with the today's lecture. So the next thing is Unacademy's awesome special classes. Yes, we are having the live real-time interactions using chats and emojis. Yes, Unacademy के जो हमारे स्पेशल क्लासेस है वहाँ पर आप लोग लाइव रियल टाइम इंटरेक्शन कर सकते हैं by using chats and emojis. Yes, obviously you are going to have poll leaderboards and you can compete with your friends also. वहाँ पर कुछ polls हो गए leaderboards. So उसमें क्या होगा, आपकी पढ़ाई की पढ़ाई भी हो जाएगी and yes you will have the fun with learning. And the next feature of these special classes is you can ask questions using the question tab. You can see the screenshots here. The question, you can type your questions related to the subject and directly send to the teacher also. So ये हमारे Unacademy के some of the special classes के features है. That is, you are going to have live real time interaction using the chat and emojis. Then you can have the live quiz through pros. So pro leaderboards में आप लोग क्या कर सकते हैं? You can have the competition with your friends also, and you can ask the questions using the question tab also. Then next, how to watch these special classes also. देखिए आप लोग क्या कर सकते हो, पहले यू कैन डाउनलोड दी अनअकैडमी लर्नर ऐप. जो स्टूडेंट्स है वो लर्नर ऐप जो है डायरेक्टली डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं. यू कैन गो टू दी गूगल प्ले स्टोर, और आपका अगर एप्पल का है तो यू कैन हैव दी एप्पल स्टोर ऑल्सो. सो वहाँ पर आप लोग अनअकैडमी लर्नर ऐप के लिए सर्च कीजिए एंड यू कैन डाउनलोड दी अनअकैडमी लर्नर ऐप. देन इंस्टॉल इट, डाउनलोड कर. वहाँ पर आप लोग क्या करेंगे, ओपन दी ऐप एंड क्लिक ऑन गेट स्टार्टेड. ठीक है, आपका ऐप ओपन हो जाएगा. Then next step is you have to enter your mobile number and OTP. आपका जो करंट मोबाइल नंबर है आपको यूज करना है. then you will get one OTP and based on that OTP you are going to sign up using the email ID. So next step is you have to enter your full name, then your mobile number will be already registered. Then enter your email address and state of the register. So this is the step to watch the special classes. That's the last step is sign up using the email ID. First one, download the Unacademy Learner app, then open the app and click on get started. Then enter your number, that is mobile number and OTP, and lastly sign up using the email ID. Then next step is that is select the classes from class 6 to class 12. It is what goal you are preparing for. The you can select for the competitive exams, as well as if you are going for the class CBC classes 6 to class 12, you can go for that also. ठीक है, CBC क्लास 6 to 12 आप लोगों ने सेलेक्ट कर लिया. उसके बाद आपके डिफरेंट क्लासेस आएंगे, क्लास 6 to class 12 एंड आल्सो द क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर. देन आपको क्या करना है, यू हैव टू सेलेक्ट योर ओन क्लास. देन नेक्स्ट, विच लैंग्वेज यू वुड प्रिफर टू लर्न, कौन सी लैंग्वेज में आप लोगों को पढ़ाई करें. सो यहाँ पर सेलेक्ट योर प्रिफर्ड लैंग्वेज. सो यू कैन यूज इंग्लिश, हिंदी, और हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश, both mixed. Then next what you are going to do, go to the description of this video, the video which I am playing now, and click on the special class link. यहाँ पर special class की जो link है वहाँ पर आप लोग चाहिए. Then click on notify me and you will get denotified 10 minutes before the class begins. And you can use the code to unlock the special classes for free. So friends, what we will select today? So we will continue to this topic, that is internet security. So in previous lectures we have seen some of the points regarding internet security, that is इंट्रोडक्शन अबाउट इट, देन कॉमन इंटरनेट सिक्योरिटी पैरामीटर्स क्या होते हैं वो भी हम लोगों ने देखा था. Then the next point which we have seen is proper use of passwords, हम लोग वो देख रहे थे. उसके बाद हम लोग देख रहे थे confidentiality of an information. So we will continue with that point today, and last point we are going to discuss about it is that is safety measures online. So let us see these one by one. ठीक है, लास्ट लेक्चर में हम लोगों ने था why firewall is used and use firewall wherever possible, then control browser settings to block tracking. उसके बाद हम लोगों ने देखा browse privately wherever possible, and we have seen the point that is be careful while posting anything on the internet. अगर इंटरनेट पे कुछ आप लोग पोस्ट कर रहे हो तो be careful about that. Then next point is ensure safe sites while entering crucial information. So sometimes you have a need to provide your crucial information such as your personal details or bank details. For example, you might be applying for an online registration for an entrance exam through a legitimate site that asks you your personal details. So देखिए, अभी आपको कुछ कई बार ऐसा करना पड़ता है कि so I will continue with the point. Practices to ensure confidentiality of an information. Okay, so अभी हम लोग देखते हैं यहाँ पर फर्स्ट पॉइंट दैट इज इंश्योर सेफ sites while entering crucial information. So अभी देखिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा. पहले आपको कुछ ऑनलाइन रजिस्ट्रेशन वगैरह करना है, जैसे कि कोई एंट्रेंस एग्जाम का फॉर्म भरना है, तो आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा. टाइप द URL of the website in the address bar of the browser on your own. ठीक है, and next do not click on a link that takes to the site. Or do not copy the link of this site and paste it. ठीक है, आपको किसी लिंक पर क्लिक करना नहीं है, आपको क्या करना है, एड्रेस बार में उस लिंक को जो है टाइप करना है. दैट इज टाइप द URL on your own in the address bar of the web browser. ठीक है, next point is ensure that the address contains HTTP and a padlock sign. Okay, now when this website gets loaded, that is before you start typing any information, ensure that the website address. So a safe site's URL starts with HTTPS and not with HTTP. Also, it shows a closed padlock. ठीक है, पहले वो इंश्योर करे कि वो HTTPS के अंडर आती है या नहीं वो साइट, एंड देन actually enter the name of that site and do not copy or paste the link. और कोई लिंक दी हो तो उस पर आप लोगों को डायरेक्टली क्लिक नहीं करना. So the next point is that you have to practice about the confidentiality of an information, that is carefully handle emails. That is, while opening an email, make sure that you know the sender. So even if open the email message by accident, make sure you do not open to the attachment in an email from the unrecognized source. So emails containing sensitive information should be deleted securely. So also your email might contain a link to legitimate what we can say looking website, and never click on any link inside an email to open it. So the link might look legit, but it may take you to the fraudulent site. So ऐसे हो सकता है कि email के attachment में कुछ fraudulent sites जो है वो open हो सकती है. Now even if you need to visit the linked website, type the URL of the website on your own in the address bar of a web browser, but never open any link inside an email. So देखिए यहाँ पर आप लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, सिक्योरिटी पर्पस के लिए अगर आपको कोई ईमेल आया हो उसमें कुछ अटैचमेंट हो और कोई लिंक ओपन हो रही हो तो वहां पर डायरेक्टली उसको ओपन ना करें. आपको क्या करना चाहिए उसके लिए, you should firstly check whether it is secure or not, whether it is reliable or not. अगर नहीं है तो आपको अगर वो लिंक ओपन ही करनी है तो खुद आपको क्या करना है, ब्राउजर का टैब ओपन कर वहां पर एड्रेस बार में उसका वेबसाइट का नाम जो है वो टाइप करें एंड देन गो टू दी एक्चुअल साइट. बट अगर ईमेल के थ्रू किसी लिंक आप लोग ओपन ना करें, कोई अटैचमेंट हो तो वो ओपन ना करें. Then next one is do not give sensitive information on wireless networks. That is, sometimes it is chances that you get access to some wireless connections such as Wi-Fi connections available on airports or railway stations. So while using such Wi-Fi connections, make sure that not to open any sensitive information or provide any sensitive information on a website. So the reason for this is that most free wireless networks are not encrypted and hence information on it can be tapped and used for fraudulent purposes. So do not give sensitive information on wireless networks. Then next one is avoid using the public computers. So always try not to use the public computers, especially if have to deal with your crucial data. So but if you need to work on public computer, then make things sure that browse privately first of all. Then next, don't save your login information. आपकी login information save ना करें. Then never save passwords while working on a public computer. आपके passwords जो है public computer पर save ना करें. Then avoid entering sensitive information onto public computer. Sensitive information को public computer पर enter ना करें. Then don't leave the computer unattended with sensitive information on the screen. Then disable the features that stores the passwords. Password store करने का feature जो है उसको disable करें. Then properly log out before you leave the computer. Log out करें आपका computer leave करने से पहले properly. And erase the history and trace of your work, that is clear your or history and cookies. So these are some practices to ensure confidentiality of an information, that is avoid using the public computers. So the next points we are going to see is safety measures online. Safety measures हम लोगों को online कैसे करने हैं. So we will try to see the safety measures one by one. So first one is what we can see, there are thousands of viruses, then spyware and other malware currently in the wild and more appear each week. हर एक को एक नया हम लोग क्या कह सकते हैं, एक नया मालवेयर आता है, एंटीवायरस आता है, बहुत सारे आते हैं. सो प्रोटेक्टिंग योर सिस्टम्स अगेंस्ट इन्फेक्टेड वायरस and virus infections is an essential part of information security. So protecting yourself against viruses and other malware involves the safeguards like active protection, and next one is the preventive measures. So we will see these one by one. So first one is use antivirus and anti-spyware softwares. Then you download the updates regularly, then run frequent full system scans. Likewise, और उसके लिए कुछ प्रिवेंटिव मेजर्स भी है. दैट इज कीप योर सिस्टम अप टू डेट, यूज कॉशन व्हेन डाउनलोडिंग फाइल्स ऑन इंटरनेट एंड डिसेबल कुकीज इफ पॉसिबल. सो चलिए देखते हैं वन बाय वन. सो फर्स्ट वन एक्टिव प्रोटेक्शन इज यूज एंटीवायरस एंड एंटी स्पाईवेयर सॉफ्टवेयर. आपको एंटीवायरस एंड एंटी स्पाईवेयर सॉफ्टवेयर जो है उसका इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए. दैट इज यू नीड दिस प्रोग्राम्स help to detect and eliminate any malware that sneaks its way onto your computer or PC. So if a virus somehow is found on a system on your network, you should do the things like, देखिए आपको क्या क्या करना पड़ेगा आपके सिस्टम के अगर वायरस फाउंड भी होता है तो. So I will write the point like that. Safety measures online. ठीक है, पहला कौन सा है, एक्टिव प्रोटेक्शन. एक्टिव प्रोटेक्शन में फर्स्ट आता है यूज एंटीवायरस एंड एंटी spyware software. Okay, so here what we can say, you need these programs help to detect and eliminate any malware that sneaks its way onto your computer. That is if a virus somehow is found on a system on your network, you should do the following things. First one is scan all your systems for evidence of the virus. Then next one is disconnect any infected systems immediately from your network. And third one is restore the infected systems from a clean backup. Then next one is notify your antivirus vendor so it can ensure its signature database is up to date. देखिए इसमें क्या क्या स्टेप्स होते हैं व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू यूज एंटीवायरस एंड एंटी स्पाईवेयर सॉफ्टवेयर। आपको ये प्रोग्राम्स की हेल्प लगेगी टू डिटेक्ट एंड एलिमिनेट एनी malware that sneaks its way onto your computer. So if a virus is somehow found on a system on your network, so you should do the things like firstly आपकी पूरी सिस्टम जो है आपको स्कैन करनी चाहिए फॉर द एविडेंस ऑफ द वायरस। कोई वायरस अटैक हुआ है या नहीं ये जान लेने के लिए आपको पूरी सिस्टम स्कैन करनी लेनी चाहिए। देन डिस्कनेक्ट एनी इन्फेक्टेड सिस्टम्स इमीडिएटली फ्रॉम योर नेटवर्क। सो अगर कोई इन्फेक्टेड सिस्टम है तो इमीडिएटली आपके नेटवर्क से उसको रिमूव करें। देन रिस्टोर द इन्फेक्टेड सिस्टम्स फ्रॉम अ क्लीन बैकअप। सो बैकअप लेना चाहिए आपको आपके सिस्टम का अप टू डेट एंड कुछ इन्फेक्टेड सिस्टम आप लोग डिलीट कर दी तो उसका बैकअप आपके पास पहले से रहना चाहिए बाय हैविंग सम एक्सटर्नल हार्ड ड्राइव्स, सीडी ड्राइव्स एंड सो। Then notify your antivirus vendor so it can ensure its signature database is up to date. आपने antivirus जहाँ से लिया that is notify to its vendor so that it can ensure its signature database is up to date. These are some of the preventive measures. For active measures, use antivirus and anti-spyware software. The next one is download updates regularly. So new viruses and other malware emerge every day, and your security software needs to know about them in order to provide the full protection. So this is done through the signature file updates so that your antivirus is laden with all new emerging viruses. रोज मार्केट में नए एंटीवायरसेस और वायरसेस दोनों आते रहते हैं। सो आपकी सिक्योरिटी जो है वो अपडेटेड रहनी चाहिए। सो डाउनलोड योर अपडेट्स रेगुलरली. So keep your antivirus, your anti-spyware programs updated. The best option is to set the program to automatically update when needed. So you don't have to worry. You will always be fully protected. Then next one is run frequent full system scans. So even though most security software programs actively scan your PC for malware, you should also perform a full system scan at least once a month. दैट इज मंथली एक बार तो आपको फुल सिस्टम स्कैन जो है वो करना चाहिए। देन नेक्स्ट वन इज द प्रिवेंटिव मेजर्स। एक्टिव के बाद प्रिवेंटिव मेजर्स देखेंगे दैट इज कीप योर सिस्टम अप टू डेट। सो malware often take advantage of the security holes in operating system and software programs. So you should always install any available updates for your operating system such as Windows and any common software you use. Then next, use caution when downloading files on internet. So only download files from reputable websites by looking for signs such as privacy statements, then full contact information, and SSL encryption, that is secure socket layer encryption of sensitive information. So typically which is indicated by the padlock in the lower right corner of your web browser. So use caution when downloading files on internet. Then next one is disable cookies if possible. That is, if you are particular about the safety of your personal information, then you may disable cookies on your browser if possible. So these are some of the safety measures which you can take for the online protection. So the book which I refer for today's lecture is Information Technology by Sumita Rao for class 10. Code IT code 402 under NSQ. So students, हम लोगों ने देखा that is some points regarding internet security, that is introduction about it, some common internet security parameters, then proper use of passwords हम लोग कैसे करें, then confidentiality of an information, then some of the safety measures online. So I hope you understood this concept. If you want some security sessions or the sessions regarding IT which you are interested for, then please write in the comment box. So now let us start with today's quiz session. So friends, let us start with today's quiz session. So you will be having total 20 questions and each question will be having 1 minute. So let's get started with that. So here is question number 1. What is long form of LAN? Options are A. Local area network, B. Local allocated network, C. Light area network, and D. Locally allocated network. Your time starts now. So the correct option is A. Local area network is the long form of LAN. The next question number 2 is here on your screen. What is long form of MAN? M-A-N. Options are A. Metropolitan area network, B. Major allocated network, C. Multiple area network, and mainly allocated network. Your time starts now. Time up. So correct answer is A. Metropolitan area network is the long form of MAN. So the next question is here on your screen. What is long form of WAN? Your options are A. Wide area network, B. Wide allocated network, C. Wide area network, and D. Widely allocated network. So your time starts now. Time up. So correct option is C. Wide area network is the long form of WAN. So the question number 4 is here on your screen. Which of the following is not an example of instant messaging? Your options are A. Google Talk, B. Google Hangouts, C. WordPress, and D. Facebook Messenger. So your time starts now. Time up. So correct answer is C. WordPress is not an example of instant message. Google Talk, Google Hangouts और Facebook Messenger जो ये सारे instant messaging के examples हैं. Then the question number 5 is here on your screen. Which is used for sending text messages online? Your options are A. Instant messaging, B. Email, C. Website, and D. Blog. Your time starts now. So the correct option is instant messaging is used for sending text messages online. Correct option is A. Instant message. The question number 6 is here on your screen. We can do chatting on an IM client. True or false? Your time starts now. Yes, it is obviously true that we can do chatting on an instant messaging client. So correct option is A, true. So we will move towards the question number 7. Networks are useful because A. No one copy your files. B. You only need one printer per network. C. The computer use less electricity. And D. Each user of the network can access files more easily. So your time starts now. So correct answer is D. Each user of the network can access files more easily. That's why networks are useful. Then question number 8 is here on your screen. Internet may be termed as an example of options are A land, B man, C van, and D all of these. So your time starts now. Yes, internet may be termed as an example of land, man, and fan. So correct option is D. All of the above can be considered as the example of internet. Then the question number 9 is here on your screen. The act of writing a post for a blog is called A. Blogger, B. Blog, C. Blogging, and D. Blogosphere. So your time starts now. So the correct answer is C. Blogging. Yes, act of writing post for a blog is called as the blogging. So the question number 10 is here on your screen. A person who writes a blog is called A. Blog, B. Blogger, C. Blogging, and D. Blogosphere. So your time starts now. A person who writes a blog is called as the blogger. So correct option is B. Blogger. Question number 11 is here on your screen. Out of the following, which is not the blogging site? A. My blog, B. Blogger, C. WordPress, and D. Live Journal. So your time starts now. So time up. Correct answer is A. My blog is not a blogging site. So question number 12 is here on your screen. Which of the following are Government of India's startup initiatives? Your options are A. Startup India, B. Make in India, C. Both A and B and D, none of the above. So your time starts now. So the correct option is both A and B. Yes, Startup India and Making India. Both are the Government of India's startup initiatives. So the question number 13 is here on your screen. Successful entrepreneurs as role models generate more entrepreneurship. So options are A true, B false. Your time starts now. So, yes, it is true that the successful entrepreneurs as role models generate more entrepreneurship. So, correct option is A, true. Now, we will move towards the question number 14. Entrepreneurship degrades the standard of living. True or false? So, your time starts now. Time up. It is obviously not true that entrepreneurship degrades the standards of living. So, correct answer is B, false. So, let us move towards the question number 15. Which of the following is not developed by entrepreneurships? A. Society, B. Economy, C. Nation, and D. None of the above. So, your time starts now. देखिए एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप जो है ये सोसाइटी, इकोनॉमी और नेशन तीनों को भी डेवलप करता है. सो विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट डेवलप्ड बाय एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप? सो करेक्ट आंसर विल बी नन ऑफ द अबव, बिकॉज ये तीनों को डेवलपमेंट में हेल्प करता है. दैट्स व्हाई करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज डी, नन ऑफ द अबव. So the question number 16 is here on your screen. Which of the following is an example of online transaction? A. E-shopping, B. E-ticketing, C. Both A and B, and D. None of the above. Your time starts now. So both e-shopping and e-ticketing are options of examples of the online transaction. So correct answer is C. Both A and B are the example of online transactions. So we will move towards the question number 17. For entering personal and financial information for online transactions, a URL must begin with A. FTP, B. HTTP, C. HTTPS, and D. Any of these. So your time starts now. So time up. For entering personal and financial information for online transactions, a URL must begin with HTTPS, that is Secure Hypertext Transfer Protocol. तो देखिए पर्सनल और फाइनेंशियल इंफॉर्मेशन जो होती है ऑनलाइन ट्रांजेक्शन के लिए, सो उसकी सिक्योरिटी जरूरी होती है. सो दैट्स वाई सिक्योर HTTP यहाँ पर रिक्वायर्ड रहेगा. The question number 18 is here on your screen. Which of the following OS does not come under Linux OS? That is A. BSD, B. Red Hat, C. Ubuntu, and D. CentOS. So your time starts now. So BSD is the OS, that is operating system, which does not come under Linux OS. Linux ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम देखिए रेड हैट उबंटू एंड CentOS जो है लाइनक्स ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम के अंडर आते हैं, whereas BSD does not come under it. So correct option is A, BSD. So the question number 19 is here on your screen. How many sustainable development goals target are there? Options are A 48, B 169, C 15 and D 17. So your time starts now. So there are total 169 sustainable development goals targets are there. So the last question number 20 is here on your screen. How many sustainable development goals are there? A 48, B 169, C 15 and D 17. So your time starts now. So there are total 17 sustainable development goals. So correct option is D 17. That is 1 cent. So that's all for today's session, friends. So the next feature for the plus and iconic subscribers. Yes, we are having the exclusive feature for plus and iconic subscriber, that is raise a hand. So you can now speak to your favorite educator in live class. Yes, obviously you can ask your doubts also. So now you can clear your doubts instantly with an option to have one-to-one discussion with your favorite educator in a live class. So you can participate in quizzes, vivas and doubt solving sessions to take your exam preparation to the next level, obviously. And you can have the personalized and highly interactive live class experiences. So you can use my code, that is TD Live, for flat 10% off. So Unacademy, let's get it. So friends, Unacademy is freedom to learn offer. So this Independence Day, get the freedom to learn. Yes, this is new offer only for CBSE class 9th. So student, this is the exclusive offer for CBSE class 9. That is, we are pleased to inform you that is our new exclusive offer for our CBSE class 9 learners. That is, if you take up a CBSE class 9 subscription for 2 years, then you will get the subscription of IIT, JEE, NEET Foundation and NTSC absolutely free. So what is this IIT, JEE, NEET Foundation and NTSC category all about? I will tell you about that. You can build the foundation for the IIT, JEE right from class 9th. So it is having the structured courses, that will help you to crack the multiple Olympiads like NTSC, IMO, and so on. Yes, obviously, and you can win the great national level scholarships. So you can save students 40% on your subscription price. So this is only for the first 500 CBSE learners, and the offer can be availed using the educator referral code. So you can use my educator referral code, that is TD Live. So just this is the limited time offer, and it is valid from the 11th of August 2021 to the 31st of August 2021. So students gets your subscription now. This is at limited period offer. देखिए दोस्तों, अन अकेडमी हर बार कुछ नया लाने की कोशिश करती है। सो इस बार जी हाँ, आप लोगों को जैसे कि पता होगा, you are having the last chance to win free Creative Corner subscription. So this offer is going to end on 23rd of the August 2020. म्हणजे हाँ, हमारी क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर सब्सक्रिप्शन की जो चांस है इट इज गोइंग टू एंड। सो देखिए ऑफर्स कैसे है, देखिए सब्सक्रिप्शन ड्यूरेशन लाइक अगर आपका सब्सक्रिप्शन 12, 15 यानी 8 मंथ्स का है क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर का, then you will get that is a free Creative Corner subscription for 2 months. So whether it is plus or iconic based on your subscription. Then अगर आपका सब्सक्रिप्शन का ड्यूरेशन है 24, 36 and 48 months का, so you will get the free Creative Corner subscription for 4 months. जी हाँ, 4 महीनों के लिए आपको फ्री क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर का सब्सक्रिप्शन जो है वो मिलेगा। सो ये अगर आपका प्लस का सब्सक्रिप्शन है तो आपको प्लस का मिलेगा, अगर आपका आइकॉनिक का सब्सक्रिप्शन है तो आपका क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर का आइकॉनिक का सब्सक्रिप्शन जो है वो मिलेगा। नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज दी, अगर आपका सब्सक्रिप्शन का ड्यूरेशन है फॉर 60, 72 एंड 84 मंथ्स का, इधर फॉर द प्लस और इधर फॉर द आइकॉनिक, सो आपको क्या रहेगा, फ्री क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर सब्सक्रिप्शन मिलेगा पूरे 6 महीने के लिए, दैट इज टोटली फ्री। प्लस का है तो प्लस का मिलेगा, आइकॉनिक का है तो आपको आइकॉनिक का 6 महीने का सब्सक्रिप्शन जो है टोटली फ्री मिलेगा। सो हरी अप, इट इज लिमिटेड पीरियड टाइम ऑफर एंड यू कैन यूज माय कोड दैट इज गिवन हियर, दैट इज TD Live, to get the free subscription also for the Creative Corner. So this is your last chance to win free Creative Corner subscription, and the offer is going to end on 23rd of the August 2021. So choice is yours. So with an academy subscription, you will get with one subscription comes the great benefits like you will get the unlimited access to 7 subjects. 7 सब्जेक्ट्स को आपको अनलिमिटेड एक्सेस मिलेगा एंड यू विल गेट द इंडियाज टॉप एजुकेटर्स टू चूज फ्रॉम। ऑब्वियसली आपको पूरा सिलेबस मिलेगा, यू विल गेट द फुल सिलेबस फॉर NCERT and as well as dedicated plus courses. And yes, obviously without Unacademy subscription you will be having a lot of confusion. So jaldi kijiye students, choice is after all yours. So subscribe now before it is too late. So the next exams are I think just 2 months, right? So you can get the 10% discount on using the educator referral code. So please use my educator referral code, that is TD Live, so to get the 10% discount. So jaldi kijiye, hurry up, the time is getting over. So friends, we are having the mega launch every Mondays, as you know. So here we are having the Laksh Foundation batch for IIT and JEE aspirants. So ये बैच किसी लिए, देखिए फॉर CBSE क्लास 9 के लिए भी है एंड CBSE क्लास 10 के लिए। एंड यस, पहले हम लोग देखते हैं CBSE क्लास 9 के लिए। इट इज गोइंग टू स्टार्ट ऑन द 31st of the August 2021। 31st अगस्त को ये बैच स्टार्ट होगी and we are having the subjects like maths and science with the expert teachers. Yes, obviously you are having the new batches for doubt clearing and NCERT exercises also. And also अगर आप लोग IIT JEE के एस्पिरेंट्स हो फॉर CBSE क्लास 10th, सो यहाँ पर भी आपकी जो लक्ष्य फाउंडेशन बैच है वो 31st August 2021 को स्टार्ट हो रही है। सो वी आर हैविंग द स्पेशल स्ट्रेचेस फॉर द मैथ्स एज वेल एज द साइंस। तो देखिए मैथ्स की जो डेट है वो 1 सितंबर को स्टार्ट होती है एंड साइंस इज गोइंग टू स्टार्ट ऑन द 31st of August 2021। सो वैसे ही CBSE क्लास 10 के लिए IIT JEE एस्पिरेंट्स के लिए एक और सीबीएसई क्लास 10 की बैच रहेगी, दैट इज लक्स फाउंडेशन बैच. It is for maths, it is going to start on 17th of September 2021, and for science it is going to start on 31st of August 2021. So yes, obviously you are having the new batches for doubt clearing sessions and NCERT exercises. So students जो obviously class 9th and 10th के IIT and JEE के लिए interested हैं, they are having the golden chance for it. And yes, you can use my code, that is TD Live, for flat 10% off discount. So that is बात की students, join our new Laksh Foundation batches. So friends, let me tell you about the basic plan about the plus subscription and also the advanced plan of the basic. That is iconic जो है ये plus का जो है advanced version रहेगा. देखिए plus में जो you are going to have the basic plan to get started. And yes, obviously at iconic you can take your CBSE preparation to the next level with personal mentor. देखिए प्लस के फीचर्स क्या क्या है. यू आर हैविंग द इंडियाज बेस्ट एजुकेटर्स as well as the interactive live classes, then live tests and quizzes, then structured courses and PDFs also. And in iconic में क्या रहेगा, प्लस के जो फीचर्स है वो सारे के सारे रहेंगे और उसके साथ आइकॉनिक में आपको एडिशनल फीचर्स भी मिलेंगे. देखिए यहाँ पर भी इंडियाज बेस्ट एजुकेटर्स रहेंगे, देन इंटरैक्टिव लाइव क्लासेस, देन लाइव टेस्ट्स एंड क्विजेस, देन यू आर हैविंग द स्ट्रक्चर्ड कोर्सेज एंड पीडीएफ्स आल्सो. सो यहाँ पर एडिशनल क्या है आइकनिक में, देखिए द पर्सनल मेंटर इज देयर टू सॉल्व योर डाउट्स. यू आर हैविंग द लाइव डाउट सॉल्यूशंस, लाइव इंटरेक्शन विथ योर मेंटर्स आल्सो, एंड यस ऑब्वियसली पेरेंट कनेक्ट भी यहाँ पर रहेगा, दैट इज टीचर पेरेंट कनेक्शन रहेगा यहाँ पर. एंड आपको आइकनिक का स्पेशल स्टडी पैनल जो है वो भी मिलेगा. सो यू कैन यूज माई कोड, दैट इज TD Live, फॉर फ्लैट 10% of discount for both, that is on the plus and iconic solutions. You can select the plus or iconic based on your choices. So उसके plans कैसे देखिए, अगर आप लोग CBSE का क्लास 9, 10th, 11th, 12th का लोगे तो ज़्यादा बेनिफिट रहेगा. अगर क्लास 10 का लोगे तो 10th, 11th, 12th आपको साथ में मिल जाएगा सब्सक्रिप्शन का. तो यहाँ पर देखिए पहले हम लोग प्लस का देख लेते हैं. इफ़ यू आर हैविंग द 3 month सब्सक्रिप्शन, देन यू हैव टू पे 7,500 for the 3 months, that is 2,500 for per month. Now if you are having a 6 month subscription, then you are have to pay 10,000 for the 6 months, that is flat 33% off. Then if you are having the 12 month subscription, then you are going to pay 15,000, that is 1,250 per month. If you are going for the 15 month subscription, then you will have to pay 18,000. If you are going for the 18 months, then you will have to pay 20,000, that is 1,111 per month. Now if you are going for the 24 month subscription, then you will have to pay 25,000 for the 24 months, that is 1,042 per month. If you are going for 36 months, then you will have to pay 32,000 for whole 36 months and 889 per month. If you are going for the 48 month subscription, उसमें आपको क्या लगेगा 40,000, 40,000 जो है पूरा का पूरा पैकेज रहेगा, and 830 will be for per month. देखिए आज जितना आप लोग ज़्यादा पैकेज लोगे उतना ही आपका बेनिफिट और डिस्काउंट जो है वो बढ़ता जाएगा. सो बेसिक क्लास का 9, 10th, 11th, 12th का आइकनिक सब्सक्रिप्शन देखिए, the same case for 3 months, 6 months, 12, 15, 18, 24, 36 and 40 months. देखिए यहाँ पर 3 months का सब्सक्रिप्शन जो है वो 12,000 को रहेगा with 4,000 per month. Then next one is 6 months, 17,000 रहेगा with 2,833 per month. Then 12 months का रहेगा 28,000. Then 15 months का रहेगा 32,000. 18 months का रहेगा 35,000. 24 months का रहेगा 48,000. 36 months का रहेगा 66,000 and 48 months का रहेगा 83,000. That is 1,729 per month. सो वैसे अभी आप लोग क्या कर सकते हो, क्लास 10, 11 और 12 का सब्सक्रिप्शन प्लस के लिए देख लीजिए. 3 months का सब्सक्रिप्शन आपके लिए रहेगा 7,500 रुपीज़ के लिए. 6 month का रहेगा 10,000 के लिए. 12 months का रहेगा 15,000 के लिए. 15 months का जो है आपके लिए रहेगा 18,000 के लिए. देन 18 months का आपके लिए रहेगा 20,000 के लिए, एंड 24 मंथ्स का रहेगा 25,000 के लिए, एंड लास्टली 36 मंथ का जो है वो 32,000 के लिए रहेगा. And the same case for the iconic, that is for class 10th 11th and 12th subscription, that is 3 months का रहेगा आपके लिए 12,000, then 6 months का 17,000, 12 months का 28,000, 15 months का 32,000, that is 2,133 per month. 18 months का रहेगा 35,000 के लिए, एंड 24 months का रहेगा 48,000 के लिए. ऑब्वियसली वैसे क्या रहेगा, 36 मंथ का जो सब्सक्रिप्शन है लास्टली वो रहेगा 66,000 के, दैट इज 1,833 per month with 54% discount. And yes, obviously you can use my code, that is TD Live, for flat 10% off discount. So student, जल्द से जल्द आपका जो सब्सक्रिप्शन दैट इज बेस्ड ऑन योर, दैट इज प्लस और आइकॉनिक, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब करके लीजिए. सो फ्रेंड्स, हर बार की तरह इस बार भी अनअकैडमी मेगा कॉम्बैक ला रही है. जी हाँ, वी आर इंट्रोड्यूसिंग इंडियाज लार्जेस्ट स्कॉलरशिप ट्रस्ट वंस अगेन, अनअकैडमी मेगा कॉम्बैक. सो इस बार you can win the scholarship worth rupees 2 crore. So link is given in the description box. So obviously this Unacademy Mega Compact is on every Sunday, and you can use my code, that is TD Live, for the educator referral codes. So देखिए, Unacademy Mega Compact बहुत से आप स्टूडेंट्स ने दिए होंगे, कुछ ने नहीं दिए होंगे. So let me tell you about that. So Unacademy Mega Compact Scholarship Tips, that is formula for your success in CBSE classes 9 and 10. You can win one scholarship worth rupees 2 crore. देखिए लास्ट टाइम हम लोग जो ले लिए थे बैचेस, उसके 1 करोड़ के थे. सो नाउ वी आर हैविंग द 2 करोड़ स्कॉलरशिप ऑफर्स. सो आपकी पढ़ाई के साथ साथ यू कैन विन द प्राइजेस आल्सो. एंड दिस मेगा कॉम्बैट स्कॉलरशिप टेस्ट आर फॉर CBSE क्लासेस 9th and class 10th. सो डेट लिख लीजिए. द अपकमिंग मेगा कॉम्बैक्ट इज ऑन August 29th 2021 at 11 AM. सो एनरोल ऑनलाइन लिंक जो है आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे चुके हैं हम लोग पहले से ही. सो उसका फॉर्मेट देखिए कैसा रहेगा. यू विल बी हैविंग 30 क्वेश्चंस एंड 45 मिनट्स फॉर दैट. दिस क्वेश्चन है एंड यू आर हैविंग द 45 मिनट्स टू सॉल्व दिस. द टेस्ट विल बी ऑब्वियसली अवेलेबल इन हिंदी एज वेल एज इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज. बोथ लैंग्वेजेस में आपको टेस्ट अवेलेबल रहेगी, हिंदी में भी और इंग्लिश में भी. एंड टेस्ट विल बी लाइव, इट विल बी द फ्री लाइव टेस्ट ऑन योर Android application. So जल्दी कीजिए and enroll now for Unacademy Mega Compact. डेट लिख लीजिए August 29 at 11 AM. So you can have the flat 10% off on Unacademy Plus and Iconic subscription. You can use my code, that is TD Live, for both Plus and Iconic subscription with flat 10%. And you can download the Unacademy app now. Get it on the Google Play Store, and you can download it on the Apple Play Store also. Try its all of the features for free using my code, that is TD. So students, that's all for today. We'll meet in the next session. Unacademy, let's crack it.